Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. In today's video I'll be working on a furniture makeover, completely transforming this dresser, and then once that's complete I'll be decorating this dresser with decor from Walmart. A big thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I can't wait to share all the amazing home decor I ordered from their website, so stay tuned for that here in a couple minutes. But first, let's give this piece of furniture a makeover. I had this small dresser that was needing some TLC. The one front leg was broken. The top drawer was very warped, and this dresser was just plain white with silver knobs. So I also wanted to give it a bit of a facelift with some fresh paint, new knobs, and then I'm also going to see if I can stain the base and legs of this dresser. I'm starting off by sanding the base and legs of this dresser. The paint was a little bit different on the base of this dresser. It didn't seem to have a finishing coat on it or anything, so I knew I was going to be able to get all of that paint sanded off and get it down to the bare wood. That way I could stain this bottom portion of the dresser. And then I also did take off that leg that was broken and I swapped it with one of the back legs. That way you wouldn't be able to see the broken portion of the leg. The leg holds up just fine. It just didn't look very nice with that chunk taken out of the middle of it, so I just put it to the side and to the back where you aren't going to be able to see it. And now that the entire base is sanded, I'm going to apply a pre-stain wood conditioner to this entire base. Let that dry for about 10 minutes before I stain. While I'm waiting for that pre-stain conditioner to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start taking all of the knobs off of this dresser with the drill. I did purchase 3 different types of gold knobs to try on this dresser. I think it's going to go really great with the color that I picked out and that stained base of the dresser. So I applied 2 coats of the stain to the base, and now I'm going to start painting, but first I just want to give the entire dresser a quick sanding. I knew I wasn't going to be able to get this entire dresser down to the bare wood, but I just wanted to scuff it up a bit with the sander so that the paint could bond better to this dresser. And I did wait for that stain to dry, and then I just taped up that base so we wouldn't get any paint on our stained wood. I was a little bit more daring this time and I went with a sage green color for this dresser. I've really been into different shades of green lately, so I wanted to try a green shade on this dresser and love how it turned out. Usually I just stick with grays or blacks when I'm doing furniture makeovers, but I just wanted to try something a little bit different this time, and it gives this dresser a very unique look and makes it stand out a bit more than the white color it was before. Okay, so I applied 1 coat of that paint to the dresser, and now it's over 24 hours later, and I'm going to apply a polyurethane sealer to the entire dresser. I just did 1 coat of this, and I did do a satin sealer, and I wish I would have done a matte because this did give the dresser a slight bit of a shiny look, which I wasn't going for. I wanted it to be matte, so I'm not sure why I did satin. But it's fine, it still turned out beautiful, but I think next time I will just stick with a matte sealer. I'm trying to pick a new knob for the dresser. I gotten 3 different styles of gold knobs to try, and this is the one that I ended up picking. It just gave the dresser that look that I was going for. I really love these knobs and just the shape and the finish that they have on them. They just are the finishing touch for this piece. Okay, so now I'm going to stage the dresser and then I will share the final look and what it looked like before. I'll be decorating this dresser with decor I ordered from Walmart, and a big thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I've been shopping there basically my whole life, so it's exciting to work with them today. So the first decor piece I ordered from Walmart is this Better Homes and Gardens arch wall mirror. This is just a classic, beautiful, modern, good quality wall mirror, and I love the visual interest the arch top adds. The size I ordered is 24 by 34 and it's currently on rollback for $65, which is a really good price for an arched mirror this size. To shop this mirror, you can check out the tagged products within this video, and there you'll be able to click and shop the mirror. The next piece I'm adding is this metal contemporary style vase. I love this vase. It's huge at 14 inches high, 8 inches wide. It's got so much texture and interest to it. I just love that organic look that it has. I also like how lightweight it is. Usually a vase this large is very heavy and clunky, but because this one is metal, it's lightweight but yet still has the same look that a ceramic vase would. I also grabbed some of these stems in store at Walmart to add in the vase. I thought these would be perfect for fall. This third and final piece I'm adding to the dresser is a Better Homes and Gardens linen scented 38-ounce ceramic candle. I love the look this oversized candle gives to the top of this dresser, layered on top of a large book, and this would be the perfect candle for an entryway table, the middle of a kitchen island. It smells so amazing, and one day when this candle is all used up, I can just clean it out and use the ceramic bowl as decor in my home. I also wanted to show this basket quickly because I'm always getting questions about the two smaller baskets I have in Levi's room that are similar to this, but those baskets are no longer sold at the store I bought them from. But then I saw this basket online at Walmart and it is very similar and a lot cheaper. I'm going to use this for toy storage, but it would also make a great blanket basket or just for any type of storage in your home. It's huge and only $19.96, or you can get a 2-pack of a medium-sized for the same price. So be sure that you check these out if you were looking for a basket like this, and this basket will be one of those tagged products in this video, so just click there if you want to check it out. So I just wanted to quickly add a few more things about Walmart while you're watching me give my plant a little TLC. Walmart has a wide variety of home decor on their website at great prices. Some of my favorite home brands are Better Homes and Gardens and Mainstays, but Walmart also has a wide variety of basically any other item you can think of. Like I said, I've been shopping there for years and years. We get groceries there, household products, baby products, personal care. We shop there for a lot of different things, and I do a lot of online orders as well because it's always free shipping over $35. But anyway, if you want to shop just the home decor products that I showed in today's video, then you can just check out the tagged products within this video and then just easily click and view each item. So now here you get to see the final shots of the dresser and the before and the after, and this dresser won't be staying in my home long term. This was just a project piece that I planned on flipping, but I always love to stage them before pictures. And I forgot to say earlier that Jalen did fix the top drawer that was warped with just a few little pieces of wood and some extra screws, and it's still not quite 100% perfect, but it definitely looks better than before. I hope you enjoyed this furniture makeover, and hopefully it gave you a few ideas for flipping furniture and also a few ideas for decorating a piece like this. Going to be doing some decorating in our laundry room entryway area now. So first off, I'm just getting the clothes put from the washer into the dryer, and now I'm going to hang up these beautiful buffalo pictures. If you guys remember, I did used to have pictures like this hanging up above my dryer, but I did put those down in the flip house and I really love them, so I repurchased them and I hung them here above the dryer again. I wanted to add a houseplant to our entryway area, so I got this houseplant from a local nursery, and then this Kona planter is from Walmart. This is the 10-inch planter. It's just a really great simple black planter, and it's flexible, crack proof, and it's also treated to prevent fading. So I'll be adding this houseplant over in the corner of our entryway bench. That corner just looked very empty and it needed some greenery. I did used to have a faux plant there. I think that faux plant is down at the flip house as well now, but now I just wanted to have a real plant here. And the lady at the nursery said that you pretty much can't kill this house plant. It's very, very hardy. You only have to water it once a month. So I'll put the name of this house plant right here on the screen. When I ordered this arched mirror, my original intent was to hang it here in the laundry room on this wall, but then when I was decorating that dresser, I just thought it would look really beautiful on the dresser for the final shots and the pictures and everything, so I used it in there, but then now I brought it back here in the laundry room. I think it's just perfect here on this wall. This wall was just really empty, and this laundry room space also just felt very empty, so I feel like this large arched mirror just adds something a little bit extra to this wall, and it's also going to be nice to have a mirror here when you're heading out the door. I'm almost leaning towards painting this accent wall that we have the hooks on a darker color. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I just feel like there's too much white and gray going on in this room, and I just kind of want to paint it a different color, but we'll see. Now I'm going to hang up some curtain rods in the boys' bedroom. They did used to have curtain rods and curtains in their room, but I did take those down to the little brick house when I was staging it. So they did need new curtain rods. So I got these Umbra expandable single curtain rods from Walmart. I always get all of my matte black curtain rods from Walmart. All of the curtain rods in our house and also all of the curtain rods that are in the little brick house are all from Walmart. And I do usually get the mainstay curtain rod, so I will just link both of these down below. But this time I am trying out the Umbra curtain rod. They both are very comparable in style and quality. This Umbra curtain rod is a little bit heavier and thicker than the mainstays one, but they both do have the same like little round knob design on the ends and everything, so I'll just link both of them down below. And I did also get 3 different curtains to try out in this room. I'm trying to plan out how I'm going to finish up the boys' bedroom because I want to add curtains in here, a larger rug, a little bit more decor, and toy storage, but I'm just trying to figure out what color curtains and also what pattern the rug is going to be, because that's going to also determine the curtain color. I thought I'd try out these green curtains, but it was just too much green. I think I'm going to go for a little bit more of a simpler curtain and then maybe more of a patterned rug. I'm going to do some quick cleaning here in the bathroom and then add these 2 new pieces of decor. I did get a new rug for the floor in this bathroom. This is a washable rug, which is going to be very nice. I can just throw this right in the washer. The one that I had in here previously, I tried to throw that in the washer and it has started to come apart on the edges, as you can see here, and also hair and everything would just get stuck in this rug because it's got all of these little like knots along the top. It just wasn't the comfiest to walk on. I just wanted to have a nice smooth rug in here, something that was still soft and also something that I could wash. And this is actually the same rug that I put in the master bedroom at the flip house. I kept saying how much I loved it and that I wanted to have one in my own house. And so I did order a runner of that same style rug for this bathroom. we've been loving this rug. It makes the bathroom so much cozier to have a larger, softer rug in here. And also all of the colors in this rug match the colors in the bathroom really well, especially that large picture that I have hanging up over the tub. Now for the bath tray, I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping this in here. I feel like the wood color of this bath tray just doesn't go with the wood color of the floor. If I'm going to add a different type of wood in here, it would either have to be more of a natural colored wood or a darker wood like the floor. So I might keep on searching for a different bath tray. Either that or I'll just do a small round wooden side table beside the tub. So now I'm going to end the day by working on this giant pile of laundry that I needed to fold. I hope that you enjoyed this video and just getting to come along on my day as I added some new decor around my house and worked on a furniture makeover. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And also a big thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!